Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Supercell ID in Clash Royale. First, open Clash Royale and tap the 3 lines icon in the top right corner to access the settings. From there, select Settings and then Help and Support. This is where you'll initiate the process. Remember, this action is permanent, so be absolutely sure before moving forward. It's a significant step that affects all games linked to that ID. Once in Help and Support, look for the Contact Us button, usually found at the top right or bottom of the screen. Tap it to start a conversation with Supercell support. In your message, clearly state that you wish to delete your Supercell ID. They will then guide you through the necessary steps, which will include verifying your ownership of the account. This is a crucial security measure to protect your game data. Supercell support will ask you a series of questions to verify your account ownership. These might include details like when you created the account, your device history, or any in-app purchase receipts. Providing accurate and detailed answers is essential for a smooth process. Once your ownership is confirmed, Supercell will process your request and send you a final confirmation. This step ensures that only the rightful owner can initiate such a permanent change. It's vital to understand that deleting your Supercell ID is a permanent action. All game progress, across every Supercell game linked to that ID, will be irrevocably lost. There is no undo button or recovery option once the deletion is complete. If you decide to play Supercell games again in the future, you will need to create a completely new Supercell ID and start your progress from scratch. Consider this carefully before making your final decision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.